Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to walk you through the process of gifting Steam points to a friend in just 5 minutes. To begin, open your Steam application and ensure it is updated on your computer. Once the app is ready, look for the Login button in the top right corner of your screen. Click there to proceed to the login area. If you aren't sent there automatically, simply enter your account name and password. After you have typed in your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once you are logged in, you will be on the Steam homepage. From this menu, click the Store button to enter the shop. On the Store page, go to the search bar located at the top. Type Steam Gift Cards and press Enter. You will see a list of results. Click on the Steam Gift Cards option. This brings you to a page with several gift card choices. Look for the button that says Send a Digital Steam Gift Card and click it. Now, you will see different denominations for the gift cards. Select the one that matches your budget or the amount you want to give. After choosing, you must enter the recipient's name and then click Continue. You will be moved to the payment page where you should follow the on-screen prompts to finish the transaction. Double-check that everything is correct before you finalize the payment. After the process is complete, the gift card is sent to your friend. They will receive a Steam notification to accept the gift. It is necessary for them to accept it, so the funds are added to their Steam wallet. Once they do, the money will be ready for them to use. Your friend can then use these funds to buy Steam points to use across the platform. It is that simple to send game-enhancing points. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.